Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to take a minute here to talk about the Dream Project and what we've been doing on it and what we're going to be doing moving forward. In the beginning of the series, we really hoped it would be a really in-depth thing of every step along the way and all the progress, and we really didn't think it was going to take as long as it has, but other things have come up. We've started a business, there's a lot of things going on. So moving forward, we're not going to be showing you as in-depth videos, but we are going to showing you updates along the way, progress we made, maybe little bits along the way, interesting things, anything that we think might be camera worthy, so to speak. So, but moving forward, Gab's going to be in the garage a lot more. She's wanting to learn how to do mechanics, maintenance on motorcycles, and I really love having her out here. It's fun showing somebody how to do it, and if I can show her something while we're rolling the cameras, while we're videotaping it, maybe I can pass that along to somebody else as well. But that's really not going to be the focus of the Dream Project moving forward. It's just going to be updates, showing you the progress, and getting to that finished product, because I really want to see it. I really want to ride it. I want it to be done by the summer coming up. So that's our goal. So enjoy the video. This is Gabi and my first real session out in the shop. We were putting together the forks that we're going to put on the front of the project. So take a look at the video. I hope you enjoy it. Plug it in, and the cleaning solution comes out the brush, and then goes back down and down below. Clean our part. Right now I'm just using the parts washer here. I want to get all the grease and junk off the outside. I know it's going to be bad inside too, but no sense contaminating the inside any more than it already is. So we'll get this all cleaned up, and then we'll start the disassembly of it. Okay, I think that's pretty good. First thing we're going to do is there's a little bolt down there in the bottom. It's actually the bolt you see right here that holds this piece in.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to want to take that out.
So where is the bolt?
If you look up through that hole right there in the end, where all those suds are, there's the bolt right up in there.
I see right there.
So I got this all set up.
Wait. This is another situation of a MacGyver.
Well, I don't have a long enough one that goes in my ratchet.
Check this out. For taking the bolt out. Oops. Bearing solution.
Well, here's the problem.
Into that bolt.
This isn't long enough to reach the bolt. So did it slip or did it
No, I
move?
think it moved one click. Or
Wait. Don't go any further. Don't go any further.
You got it?
Oh yeah, we got it.
Oh, there it is.
Yep, it's come right out.
Is it?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Wait. There you go.
Oh.
Oh, that's so gross. It's water?
Yeah, it's contaminated too.
What do you mean?
You got water inside of the tube. You just pry that right up off from there,
Like
that
this?
rubber boot. Yeah, it'll come up off from there. There it goes. Now it'll slide all the way up. Slide all the way up and off the end. Okay, that's a dust boot. It's supposed to shed off most of the rain and everything from getting down inside. So just hold the
So
end
you
up
did
there.
clean it?
I cleaned it the best I could with everything still in there, and I'm just trying to.
What just shut out? A spring?
Yeah.
Told you. And there we go.
There was the top.
That was it. There we go. All right, now let's get the other spring out. There's going to be, this one I believe is the short one. There should be a washer and then a longer one in there somewhere. Let's see, that washer.
Washer.
Should be a longer spring now.
Put it down.
There's our longer spring. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pop the seal out. And how you do that is you just run it down and you bring it up until it hits the seal. And you use the seal to pull it out. Ready? That's it. That pops the seal out. A metal part, and it's easier to see on this one. See how there's a little, you can see a little metal spring in there?
Mm-hmm.
That came off in the up positions. We know when we put it back together, that's the way it's supposed to go. If you don't have a manual or anything to do it with. And then on top of that is a washer, which goes dish side up. And then on the bottom, you'll see is this stopper piece right here, this upper bushing. This is the upper bushing. Okay. And then on the bottom, you have the lower bushing.
And then it just needs a push.
Yep, just push it straight off the end. Yep.
Daddy, what's that shovel up there?
Then.
Okay. First, the valve needs a
Okay.
plastic washer
Can we
on
use
the top.
oh, there it's
They're
open.
all open. And that goes in that groove on the top there. Yeah. Bring it on over the end. Yep.
Okay.
That goes on there.
Uh-huh.
And then the spring goes up on that shaft.
Spring goes. We are following this, like this.
And then the
Okay.
next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the lower bushing on here. Remember how you took it off
Yes.
with a screwdriver?
Yes.
Put it back on the same way. You probably won't even need to use a screwdriver. It'll probably just pop over.
There you go.
Okay, down
Okay.
in. Good. That part's done.
Now.
So this goes on the inside like this.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Now let's put our springs in.
What's the
No,
order?
not those ones. It's these ones.
Ah.
So this one goes in first.
Okay.
So the long one slides in first. Then there's a washer.
Okay, now the washer.
Drop that in there.
Uh,
Just drop it. Did it
Okay.
sit flat?
I think
Nope.
so.
Is it now?
Yes.
Okay, it's flat. Now the other spring goes on top. Okay. Now we must put the cap on. You undo it.
Go ahead.
Get a spring right in the middle. There we go. There we go. That's
Okay.
on. Now this whole unit will slide into here
Okay.
with this on the bottom of it.
Okay.
And then it'll go all the way down to the bottom.
Uh-huh.
We'll put the screw in the bottom, which is right here. Okay, it's got a copper washer on it. Then once we do that, then we'll put this, 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 and this. It goes in. That order. First,
1, 2, 3,
second,
4, 5.
third, fourth. Okay? So let's just put a little bit of oil. Just put a little bit on your finger and just rub it around these bushings just to get them a little bit slippery before you slide them down in. Just a little bit. Yep. Just lube that up a little bit. Now we can slide her back in. First in. Yep, there we go. All right.
Now we'll
Now
do
we'll
this.
run it in there. Okay. Put that on. Not the other way. A little tighter. That's good. That's good. That's good. Don't want to go too tight. Okay, now that's in. Now we need to put our upper bushing on, and that's got to sit down into that groove all the way
Okay.
down. It's got to be lined up just right.
BRAMMOTO Girly Clothes you can find at www.brammoto.net.
And then we'll have to drive the seal in.
Okay.
Yeah, put that on top, and we'll have to put the snap ring in.
Okay.
So
Comes la.
that drops down in now.
Down here.
Yep.
This one. This way.
Yep. And that'll
Okay.
go right up on top of that.
It did. Do we need to push it? Now it's this guy, right? No, this guy.
It's gonna be that guy. You gotta be careful going over top of these things, only because it can actually damage the seal. Put her all the way down. And then we do the same thing we did before with this little piece. You just go around, tapping that seal. Now we're just going to put the snap ring in. Parts of it are in. I don't think this part's in yet. Ah, ha, 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 ha.
Got it?
Yep, she just snapped in. Let's put our dust boot on. Slide that up over the top. Down. Slide right over there. Scissors it right up. A nice fit. Nice. Now we're going to put our washer back in. And then our spring back in. Put our cap on. Center it up. Let's do that again. Got to get a couple of threads on her before you let go. Just had it. If I put it up against the wall. Ah, there we go. I just did it and it went in the first try. You saw it, right?
Okay, go ahead. You did it. Yes. Good job, babe.
Now we can put it the rest of the way. That's it. Now, last thing we need to do is put the drain plug in it.
And in the drain plug, yes.
Got a copper washer. Goes on this little bolt right here.
Come closer.
Okay, little bolt. Goes in that little hole right there. And this is the plug that you would take out, say you wanted to change your fork oil, but the seals and everything were fine. If you take this out and take the top off, it'll drain out. You can put new fluid into it, put the cap back on.
Okay.
There we go. One fork, fully assembled. All it needs is oil.
Hey, if you're a girl, let me know, how do you work in the shop? Because I find it very difficult some parts when you really need some muscle in there.
That's what I'm
I
here
don't
for.
know. Yeah, right.
Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or anything, put them down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Keep tuned. There's going to be more videos coming up soon. Bye now.